If you're new to the language and haven't learned the alphabet yet, there's one best way to help you master it in an hour or less. And it's not an app or some video course. What is it? Keep watching. But first, if you don't yet have access to our language learning system, sign up for a free lifetime account right now. Just click the link in the description to get your free lifetime account. The fastest, easiest, and most obvious way to learn the alphabet. So, what's the best and most obvious way? Well, nowadays you'll see different kinds of resources online just for learning the alphabet. There's flashcards, apps, video lessons. But the best way to learn the alphabet is always going to be by simply practicing writing the letters out. Sounds obvious, but in this digital age, writing things out isn't the first thing most people think of. Most people generally reach for an app or Google for it. Ironically, those ways are slower than writing things out. Simply put, if you're writing things out, you're engaging multiple senses, and you'll remember everything better than just swiping around on an app and only looking at the letters. You're actually practicing and producing the language. So if you're about to start learning the language, you should keep this in mind. It'll take you way less time. Now, of course, your next questions may be how and what should I use? How to get our alphabet workbook for free, if you follow these steps. This is where our alphabet PDF workbook comes in, which you can get for free on our site. So, just 1, click the link in the description. 2, sign up for a free lifetime account. 3, once you have your account, come back to the link above, or just click the link in the description and the PDF workbook will be unlocked. And 4, download and print out the workbook. That's it. That's all you need to do to get started and master the alphabet. How to learn the alphabet in 1 hour or less. Once you print out the PDF, just write the characters in the provided spaces. Again, by physically writing things out, you learn faster because you're engaging more senses. And you can also print several copies of the same workbook for extra practice. Once you're done, be sure to immediately move on to reading and writing. This will help cement the alphabet into your brain. And don't worry if you struggle remembering 1 or 2 letters. The rest comes from reading and writing practice. If you want to jump into reading, check our extensive reading books inside the lesson library. The absolute beginner books are simple 1 or 2 words per page books that will get you going. If you want to practice writing, make sure you're signed up to our email list. We email out writing workbooks and cheat sheets every week. So if you want to learn the language and get access to these learning tools and our learning system, sign up for a free lifetime account right now. Just click the link in the description to get your free lifetime account.
How are your Finnish listening skills? First, you'll see an image and hear a question. Next comes a short dialogue. Listen carefully and see if you can answer correctly. We'll show you the answer at the end. Are you ready?
Mies soittaa sairaalaan. Milloin terveystarkastukset ovat saatavilla sairaalassa?
Anteeksi, voinko tehdä varauksen terveystarkastukseen?
Kyllä vain. Terveystarkastukset ovat tarjolla ainoastaan maanantaisin, keskiviikkoisin ja lauantaisin, toisin kuin normaalit tutkimukset. Minkä päivän haluaisitte?
Onko tämä lauantai saatavilla?
Kyllä se on. Olemme auki vain aamulla lauantaisin. Sopiiko se?
Vain aamulla? Se on hieman hankalaa. Mihin saakka olette avoinna arkisin?
Olemme auki 6 saakka maanantaisin ja 8 asti keskiviikkoisin.
Selvä. Mihin aikaan avaatte aamulla?
Avaamme 8. Ensi viikolla kaikki aamut ovat varattuja, mutta jos voisitte odottaa ensi viikkoa seuraavaan viikkoon saakka, sekä maanantai että keskiviikko ovat vapaina kello 8 lähtien.
Ok. Soitan uudelleen sen jälkeen, kun olen tarkistanut aikatauluni.
Selvä on. Milloin terveystarkastukset ovat saatavilla sairaalassa? Mies soittaa sairaalaan. Milloin terveystarkastukset ovat saatavilla sairaalassa?
Anteeksi, voinko tehdä varauksen terveystarkastukseen?
Kyllä vain. Terveystarkastukset ovat tarjolla ainoastaan maanantaisin, keskiviikkoisin ja lauantaisin, toisin kuin normaalit tutkimukset. Minkä päivän haluaisitte?
Onko tämä lauantai saatavilla?
Kyllä se on. Olemme auki vain aamulla lauantaisin. Sopiiko se?
Vain aamulla. Se on hieman hankalaa. Mihin saakka olette avoinna arkisin?
Olemme auki 6 saakka maanantaisin ja 8 asti keskiviikkoisin.
Selvä. Mihin aikaan avaatte aamulla?
Avaamme 8. Ensi viikolla kaikki aamut ovat varattuja, mutta jos voisitte odottaa ensi viikkoa seuraavaan viikkoon saakka, sekä maanantai että keskiviikko ovat vapaina kello 8 lähtien.
Ok. Soitan uudelleen sen jälkeen, kun olen tarkistanut aikatauluni.
Selvä on.
Did you get it right? I hope you learned something from this quiz. Let us know if you have any questions. See you next time.
Access your free language gifts right now before they expire. First, the Talking About Your Week PDF conversation cheat sheet, where you'll master the days of the week and all the phrases needed to talk about your schedule. Download it now for free. Second, Halloween words you must know. Learn how to say scary, ghost, vampire, and much more with this 1-minute lesson. Third, want a bonus writing workbook? No other language app will give you free bonus resources, but we will. You're also getting the bonus Halloween PDF writing workbook, yours free inside the free gifts of the month. Fourth, 40+ words for the most common fears. You'll learn how to say public speaking, needles, and much more in your target language. And fifth, the only language app that gets you speaking and understanding native speakers because it teaches you through real conversations between real native speakers. Download the innovative language learning app for free on Android, iPhone, and iPad. To get your free gifts of the month, click the link in the description below and download them now before they expire. Great work! Here's a reward. Speed up your language learning with our PDF lessons. Get all of our best PDF cheat sheets and ebooks for free. Just click the link in the description.